Did you know that SchoolTry actually gives parents the access to actually apply for leaves for their children? We bet you don't know about that. Alrighty then, welcome to this video on how to manage leaves and absence requests on the SchoolTry portal. The first step you need to take is we need to go into the mobile app and file for an absence request. Then we come back to the web as an admin. We acknowledge the absence request. Then we go back to the app and we verify that yes, it indeed has been acknowledged. And that is all the SchoolTry tutorial video for now is going to be about. We bet you saw the post on our social media handle that said there's going to be a classic future tutorial video for SchoolTry, and this is it: how to manage leave and absence requests on the SchoolTry portal. Let's go. So currently we'll be going into the mobile app, and when we return we will continue. Stay with us.
We are about to open the app to manage a leave. As a parent, I want to send an absence request to my child's school. So all I need to do is, right now I am on the app, I need to click on the three dashes at the top left corner here, the sharp left corner, and these three dashes here. I click on the three dashes, and what I do next is I tap on my children. You can see home, you can see my children. I tap on my children, and once I tap on my children, I can pick either of my children that would not be present for the leave. So let's say, for example, I want to request for an absence for my child Janet Ade. That is my youngest child. I have Janet Ade in primary 2 and I have Temi Ade in JSS 2. All I need to do is click on Janet Ade, and once I click on Janet Ade, we have absence requests, teachers list, assignment, reports, and documents. All I need to do is simply click on absence request, and this is a tab where you can see the existing leave requests that has been sent to the school. One has been acknowledged, the other one has not been acknowledged. So we're going to be adding a new leave. So we are clicking on the plus button here at the lower right corner. The lower right corner here, you click on the plus button, and then it tells you to input the dates that the leave will commence and the dates the leave will end. So you click on the calendar icon here, and then you can say that this leave commences on the 27th of November 2020. You click on OK, and the day the leave will be coming to an end, you can click on the 30th November 2020. You click on OK. You had the subject, you can say Janet Ade absence request, and you input the reason for the child's absence request. So you're going to say that Janet Ade will be traveling for 1 week church retreat at Abuja. And once you do that, all you simply need to do is click on submit. Once you click on submit, it says request submitted. Now the moment the leave gets acknowledged from the admin's dashboard, it's going to indicate that this leave has been acknowledged here. So let us go back to the dashboard and check how we acknowledge the leave, and also how the leave actually looks like on the mobile app once it's been acknowledged. So let's go back to the web.
Okay, now that we are back from the mobile app and we are now on the web, the first thing we need to do is to visit the dashboard as an admin, the same dashboard that we often go to. And when we come to the dashboard, the first thing we want to do is come to teachers panel here, the teachers panel, and of course from teachers panel you can see manage leaves. You click the three dashes on the top left corner here, you come to teachers panel, you click on manage leaves, and once you click on manage leaves, the first thing that strikes your sight is something that is very similar to what you're looking at right now. So you can see the total leaves that has been applied for, the ones that has been acknowledged, and the one that has not. So this is Janet Ade absence request applied for by her dad Sam Ade on the 25th of November 2020. All you need to do is acknowledge. You'll be clicking the acknowledge button here, and again we'll be returning to the mobile app to check how the feedback looks like, and then wrap up the video. So here we go. Janet Ade's leave has been received, and we'll be acknowledging the leave by clicking on acknowledge, and it's going to tell us that the leave has been acknowledged. So it's already marked. This shows that the leave has already been acknowledged, and the next thing you want to do right now is to head back into the app and check the result of the acknowledgement of the leave. Then wrap up the video. Come along.
And so we're back to the app to check the acknowledgement of the leave that was applied for. So what we need to do is go to my children, and once you get to my children, you click on the child Janet Ade and you click on absence request. And once you click on absence request, it says that Janet Ade, the first leave here, Janet Ade absence request, it says that it has been acknowledged. This shows that the leave has already been acknowledged by the school's admin, and Janet Ade can now go on the leave, which means you don't need to be in school to apply for a leave. Neither does a child need to go away from school all of a sudden without a prior notification from the school before the school itself can give the acknowledgement. So now SchoolTry allows you to apply for a leave or absence request on the SchoolTry portal. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button,
tap the notification icon, and of course give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much.